Hey, are cows allowed on the plane? They are? Okay, perfect. You think this is enough space for 4 cows?
5 cows?
5 cows, sorry. You ready for some cows?
First ever.
You got it.
This plane's gonna be so dirty. Bro. So dumb. Mile high barn. Welcome home.
Oh my god.
This doesn't seem real.